the truck goes? Shut up, really? Well, they got the problem.
Yeah, can I have that wrench?
Jesus Christ, look at you. Oh, things angled. I got the old fashioned one where you're actually going to pump it.
Oh, no, sir.
No, that's good.
Back in my day.
I'm going to have to start spending more money on tools, I guess, huh?
Good. Anything to make the job easier. Oh, I'm gonna. Corey, do you have a key?
Yeah. Did you get in that one? Did you get into that screen in that one?
Want to open?
No, I didn't touch it.
If you do, you should be able to do it when you get in.
I think that's probably it right there, right?
Yeah.
One's probably open. Check the rest of them. Make sure they open up too. It's not going to go water on them if they don't open.
Yeah.
Looks good, dude. So we're going to set the first two valves to 14 psi and then 10 psi so they can get their 50% power reading on the pump put out.
Okay.
And then we're going to go to 100%, which will be a different, jumble of numbers, and then 150%. So we're testing those different increments on the pump.
Okay.
You're at 10. All right, you're getting those slow down. One more stop. That's 96.
Move it 26. Let's see that.
Go up, you gotta go up one. That's good. Go 2, 3, 20. Yeah.
Hey.
Good. That's close, buddy. That one is in a mess. There you go. Wow, I guess you could have just did that.